how to change account on Pokemon TCG Pocket. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will exactly show you to do this. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and open up your application right here. This method works for both Android and iOS. Now once inside the application, you can just go ahead and click on the three lines at the bottom of your screen. Once inside, this menu will show up where you then have to click on others. You can see that below the tips button, and once inside, you specifically want to click on account. Now once inside the account, there are two ways on how you can go ahead and change account. The first thing is by clicking on the delete save data. Now take note that this will go ahead and delete your current account on the Pokemon game. And the second method is by deleting the application itself. Right after deleting the application, you can just go ahead and reinstall it back to your device, and from there it will then prompt you to log in another account. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.